So with the car market going up and up, we also know that car mods go up in value as well. So today we're going to talk about how to get some car mods for free. 1, 2, 3. I know while clicking on this video, the title might seem a little clickbaity, but it's not. We're literally gonna have a method of getting car mods for free. Now if you guys are excited for that, please stick till the end of the video and make sure to like and subscribe. We are on the road of 350 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I appreciate it and I'm happy to be back. So starting with one of our first ways for getting car mods cheap, I would say go on eBay or Craigslist. So with eBay and Craigslist selling off used car parts, they are a lot cheaper compared to brand new ones, while there really is no difference besides maybe the looks. Just imagine you're paying $200, $300, all the way to $1,000 worth of range more just for new piping. Piping is metal, and even with 30,000 miles usage on it, it's still gonna work just fine. Whether your car is used or even new, I promise you will be able to find a part that fits perfectly for your car that was just used by someone else who doesn't want anymore, because they either want to go back to stock or just reduce or increase power. So you guys might be saying, oh Stitchy, so what about the parts for aesthetics? Well, that you also have a website for. That's called Alibaba. So whether you want to go on the website or the app, both work just fine. But the reason why I bring up this app is because half of your car mods that you put on for aesthetics are just made in China. Alibaba.com makes it so much easier for you to buy any sort of parts you want, even performance, which I really wouldn't recommend, just to get it from there for cheap. So for example, a carbon fiber steering wheel. If you want the carbon fiber steering wheel from some sort of main company, you're gonna pay $500 up to $1,000 if it has those lights on it. But if you go on Alibaba, you're gonna pay from $300 to $500, and that $500 one is usually the $1,000 one on the main market. It's just a bargain that you can't resist. It just surprises me how little people know about this and how important it is as a car guy to know about it, just off the fact that everything is so expensive. Now this next one I'm going to talk about actually gives you performance and aesthetic types of mods. And by far this is the easiest way to do it. All you need to do is go to a special website called Reddit and ask if anyone's selling anything, and you'll get it for used and a lot cheaper for your car mainly. Let's say for example, if I wanted something for my car, I would go to r/VBWRX and ask for any used parts, and I'll get it for very cheap, and I'll also be able to get aesthetic mods for the same exact price. Overall, Reddit has some very nerd people like this that no one likes, but they also have some very cool people who would love to help out people in their same community. That's why I would say go to Reddit and ask if there's anything around there. Now going to easily the cheapest way to do this is through a junkyard. If you guys don't know what a junkyard is, it's pretty much all salvage / abandoned cars that are put inside of one yard, and all you do is go and just look for any sort of part you need. All they're gonna charge you is maybe an entrance fee, and dirt cheap for whatever part you get, because they don't care, they just want some money. I would highly recommend, if you guys do know anything about cars, to go there and just find hidden gems that are all over the place. I'm not sure how, but not a lot of people do this. You could literally go and grab a turbo for there and pay like maybe 10% of the price. And yes, maybe the turbo's blown or maybe the turbo's this, but that's why you need to know about cars before you go and check it. Now going into the easiest method we probably have that we are going to mention, is just getting straight up discounts. So you can get these discounts very easily just off codes, or during Black Friday or Christmas or Thanksgiving, or just any sort of sale. Sales are the #1 way you can save up any sort of money for any sort of car you're trying to build, and that's how I've done it. For example, I got an MBRP catback exhaust for around $600 to $700, and now it's selling for $1,000. That is $300 saved for something that is very good and new. I'm telling you, man, these Black Friday and Christmas sales are something else. You guys just need to save money and wait for these days to come and just spend. Now, finally getting into the last part, and literally the way you can get car mods for free. And that's doing what I do and trying to get sponsorships from companies. So what's the most important thing a company needs? That is customers. That's how they make money. And how do they do it? Through marketing, and that's marketing through you. So big companies will send you their parts as long as you advertise what you have for people to buy from them, and if anything, you'll even make money off it. There's so many ways to go buy this sponsorship, and you don't even need crazy amounts of followings for people to even send it to you. It's crazy how much money you can save on this and pretty much spend $0 on your car, but still have a crazy looking modified car that performs really well. Anyways guys, none of this was financial advice, and do what you guys think is right, but I do appreciate you guys watching the video, and I hope you guys like the little format where I'm standing up and there's more interaction really. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys and love every single one of you guys who subscribe, like, and just really support the channel. Time for more videos to come out. School is over, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.